In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of content in HubSpot. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then open the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the portal where your website is managed and that you have permission to edit website pages. This ensures you can access the editor and the revision history you'll need. Once you're in HubSpot, move your mouse to the left sidebar and look for the Content area. In that section, click Website Pages. This takes you to a list of all the pages associated with your site, along with their statuses and last edited times, so you can quickly find what you need. Next, select the website page you want to work on. If you have a lot of pages, use the search or filters to locate the exact one. Clicking the page opens the page editor, where you can view and manage its content. At the top of the editor, open the View menu. From there, choose Version History. This brings up a detailed list of revisions, usually showing timestamps and the user who made each change. It's a reliable way to track how your page has evolved over time. Browse the list and choose the version you want to restore. Click that version to load its details. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct snapshot by checking the date, time, and any notes or author information visible. You'll typically see the older content previewed, which helps you verify you're rolling back to the right state. When you're confident, click Restore Version in the top right corner of the editor. If you see a confirmation prompt, proceed. HubSpot will load that version into the editor as your current working draft. This action reverts the content in the editor, but doesn't automatically push it live, which gives you a safe space to double-check everything. To preserve this change in your draft, click Save. Saving ensures the restored content is kept in the editor, so you can continue reviewing or making additional edits as needed. Depending on your publishing workflow, you may see options later to update or publish the page when you're ready to make the change live. That's it. You searched for HubSpot, signed in, navigated to website pages, opened the page, used View and Version History to locate the right revision, restored it, and saved your work. Follow these steps anytime you need to quickly recover earlier content with confidence.